I'm Jason.
And I'm Kelly.
And we built our TimberTech deck.
There's a question, really, if we were able to do this ourselves. We just decided to go for it. So we cut the boards, lifted them up over our heads, carried them up onto the deck, and put them in.
Yeah, I mean, I'd say the hardest part of the whole project was just getting the materials out of the truck. The prior wood deck before, it wasn't that inviting. And then now this one.
It's like an extension to our home.
The kids are so excited about it. We're so excited about it. And now being able to furnish it and be out there and grilling and hanging out is a much more exciting part of our house that we really weren't enjoying as much before.
We wanted a product that looked like real wood, but maybe didn't have the same wear and tear as real wood. This is our forever home, so it's great to have TimberTech and have the longevity of the product.
We put this whole deck in together ourselves. It looks amazing, and now the family can enjoy it for years to come. That's one of the things that we're so excited about.